Good morning, friends, from segment 4 of the Colorado Trail. Today we're day hiking this section from segment 4 to the beginning of segment 5. We're doing it a little bit different. Helen and her friend are doing it at the same time, but they'll be coming from the other direction. They parked at the segment 5 trailhead and are hiking towards segment 4. We're about to enter Lost Creek Wilderness. Kind of hard to read the sign, maybe. But that's it. Permit required. Well, let's see. Empty. Gonna be no permit filled out today. Got a very nice water source, even in late July at mile 45.1 on the Colorado Trail. I'll have a little snack, getting hungry. So we've got here some grapefruit leather and some fruity snacks. I've gone just a little over 6.5 miles so far. And yeah, I'm out of breath, as you can see. The last mile or so has been, straight uphill for the most part. It's steep enough where you you push yourself a little bit, your heart rate's gonna go up and you'll start sucking wind, as I am right now. But I'm still enjoying it, sweating pretty good, staying hydrated. Let me give you a view of this beautiful tree I've got in front of me. What a beaut. And let's walk together and enjoy the forest. Gone about 8.3 miles of the 16.6 miles, I think, that this section is. And now we're leaving the Lost Creek Wilderness. I mentioned earlier that the girls parked at the other trailhead at the end of section 4, the beginning of section 5. I parked at the opposite end at the beginning of section 4. And we're both hiking in opposite ways and are going to meet somewhere in the middle, exchange car keys, and continue on our way. So now that I'm about halfway done, I'm curious when I'll run into them. They had a longer ride to the trailhead, so I definitely got a head start, but I also had a lot more elevation to go up than they did. I have a feeling maybe a couple more miles. I'm not expecting them yet. Maybe I'll take a break too at some point and they'll walk right by me. Well, we'll see. We are entering the Lost Park section of the trail here. It might get a little bit windy right now. I wish I had a better microphone. But I want to show you guys the view. Oh yeah, let me just stop here. Incredible. I think I see them. I'll know for sure in about a minute, but I'm almost certain that's them. Yep, it's them. You guys had a good pace.
Hello. At least we know we took the right trail. Our plan's gonna work. Oh my gosh.
There they go. We had a nice little reunion. Talked for a couple of minutes. Anyway, on I go and on they go. So many wildflowers in this park. It's incredible. I'm just chilling for a little bit under the shade of this tree, eating some more fruity snacks. Looking towards the north, I've got about 4.5 miles left to get to the end of segment 4. And what a joy it is walking through this park. I'll turn slowly and I'm headed that way. Got about 3 miles to go on this hike. Still walking along this park. It's quite nice. As you can see, clouds are moving in for sure. We kind of have this pattern that's typical for the Colorado Rockies this time of year where you have a very good chance of getting afternoon storms on pretty much any given day. Did get an early start today. I've been hoofing it pretty good. Haven't really taken a significant break at all. So we'll see. Might not develop into storms, but it certainly looks like it might. We're at mile 55.1. Just entered the woods and left that beautiful park that we've been walking along. Tons and tons of great campsites here. These are in the open, but in the trees there's tons of sites as well. Got about 2 miles to go, and I'll give you the summary here for section 4 of the Colorado Trail going south. Yeah, I love it. Of course. Beautiful, beautiful. I didn't see any moose today, but I can certainly imagine that's a prime moose habitat